So you told that the Qt wallet should be set up in a system, not in a laptop.
Yes,
So
yes.
if we set up in a laptop, is there any problem?
No, now I'm using a laptop only, no problem. But the usage of because it will eat your processor. I mean, it take 80,
Suppose we are
50%
using that
of your
laptop only for this virtual mining, then there is not problem, right?
no, virtual mining. You can do in phone or mobile also. There is no problem. That is like you are not using any processor. That's you just depositing your amount there. So from backend, we take that amount, we run in masternode in ourselves. That's why there is no problem.
Okay. So, but in Qt wallet, we are setting up a masternode, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So, okay. So that we
What
can
will
do it with a
happen?
laptop only.
Yeah, what will happen? It need 80% of 80 GB in your your laptop space, and it will eat 30 to 40% of your RAM usage. So
Okay.
that's why I'm not prefer to do in laptops. If it PC, that will hangs, that will no problem.
But if you're only using the laptop for this mining purpose, then there is no problem, right?
No, for 1 or 2 nodes, no problem, sir. So up to 10 nodes, no problem, because of you are not using your processor here. You just just deploying masternode here. The processing will take care by these node hub people only.
Yeah. So okay, so you told that the Qt wallet about Qt wallet, but you said that the virtual mining doesn't need any Qt wallet. We can do it by mobile phone.
Virtual mallet, that stake that bitsz.io, you just depositing your bits there, and you just transfer bits to your mining wallet. So what we will do, we'll take that coins and we'll add additional our coins. We'll run a master node. So there no need usage of your processor, no need usage of your laptop there. So it is totally manual process.
So in virtual mining, if we got like 10 bits a day or 5 bits a day, can we just like transfer it into cash the same day?
Not cash. You can withdraw. I mean, you can convert bits into BTC, ETH, Ripple, BNB coin on the same platform in stake.bitsz.io.
Okay, so that same bits, like these things can be converted into cash like in the same day, or it needs to be like
No.
like how it should be converted into cash.
So in same day you can transfer to you our bitsz-ex, or otherwise our main exchange will launch on August, so you can transfer immediately that. So when our exchange launch now, so the minimum withdraw is 1,000. So that exchange is going to open in August. So then
okay, sir.
Then no worries to you. Just if when you're getting bits, just transfer bits to our main exchange and transfer to your INR. You just collect in your bank account. No problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Aditya. Thank you very much.